everyone. Good morning. So this is Zach here again. All right. So today, again as usual, we're gonna do a quick morning updates. Okay. So let's see what is going on today. Any opportunity or anything that we should pay attention to. All right. So again, before I continue my section over here, just a quick disclaimer. This section I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stock based on our discussion in this morning, make sure your own trading plan. If not, use my support resistance for XIFU under XIFU X chart over here. If not, just get advice from the professional. Okay. So if you got any other things that any counters you want me to look into, you can comments below. You can study together. Again, market has been very quiet for past 2 months plus already. We are going into October right now. Hopefully, we have some momentum coming in until the end of the year. But it looks like currently everything's still boring. Permata dropped quite badly. I'm not sure what's going on with Pertama. So anyone if know what happens to Pertama, let me know also. Let's start with some of the indices currently. Let's see where are we right now. Okay, and we're gonna look into some stocks over here. So today, mostly is I can say mostly is in red. Okay, mostly is in red. Okay, so let's look into the volume first. Okay, property is going up. Okay, energy, but not much lah. It's only a little bit only lah. So okay, now let's look into the overall FBM KLC. Where's my KLCI chart here? Okay. So KLCI chart, oops, unfortunately they dropped below the 40 MA already. So it looks like currently it's the one of the support 1630 area 1633, 1630 area is the one of the support. But looks like going to go down a little bit lower. Still cannot reach the 1700 area currently. Okay, now let's look into property. Looks like today turns to green. Okay, whether they will hold over gaps or not. But lots of property actually currently they can't really hold the gaps. Only few actually holding. Okay, so here is the main so-called the main area that you should really watch out. Of course, above gap would be nice and worth to look into. Okay, so any others? Let's look into. We got energy also. Not sure because due to the war or not, but over still in a downtrend. So again, careful. Almost reaching the 20 MA already. So sometimes reaching 20 MA got some rejection over here. It will continue go into downtrend. Okay, but so far I think Delium is doing pretty nice. The rest not really. Okay, the rest not really. Plantation also down. Okay, mostly it's down. Okay, no need to look into indices already. Okay, now let's look into some counters that let me get my books up. Okay, we look into some counters that previously we do spot some reversal. I think I do share in the so-called Telegram as well. Yes, let's look into MSC. This is by Ruku. Okay, Ruku, good morning. MSC also not bad actually. They're making some reversal. MSM trying to do so. Again, MFLA also. Okay, so these are a few counters that we will look into. Okay, Hoju, yes, we look into MSM. So okay, now MSC actually nice reversal with volume. I kind of like it. Okay, before the reversal, also we do see two strength candle. Okay, nowadays we do see lots of strength candles slowly coming in for few counter. Jatias also having that. So yes, I think this few counter we can actually try to monitor for this couple of days or maybe until next week. So while MSC unfortunately it didn't pull back to the prices I want. Okay, today still quite steady over here. Okay, of course, if you ask me, no weaknesses so far. I think can go up further, yes, but I'm not sure whether it will pull back first or go up further later on. Okay, now let's see. If let's say I want to, okay, because this one is a bit trending already, so I don't want to use the support resistance from here because sometimes support resistance is good when the price is in the range. Okay, so for me right now, probably this level over here. Okay, I use my pen. So this level over here. Okay, 2.80 probably want to watch out and then 3 ringgit also Okay, another level that you probably want to focus. Okay, if let's say you want to enter. Okay, so of course for me, I always hope that they here reverse. Okay, close to 2.4 area. Okay, for me to look for lowest entry before reverse again. Or maybe sometimes what happens is that here is the small resistance, right? It goes up, hits, pull back, goes up. Okay, so this is where normally I will look for my so-called low risk opportunities. Okay, so MSC, yes, definitely worth to look into it. Okay, just that a matter of whether currently this is the risk to reward they are looking into or not. Okay, setup wise, I think no problems. Okay, so now let's look into MSM. Okay, MSM also volume is building up at the bottom. Okay, crossing, which is nice. Okay, now closing gap is even better currently. So here is a small gap they need to cross. So it looks like today is a day that they want to challenge. Okay, so going up again for me overall is a good sign. Okay, because they are crossing 2040. I think they also changed the overall trend already as well. So this is a big downtrend. Okay, lots of stock actually now is in this stage. Okay, so be careful. I still got one more down one. Okay, again, I'm not saying you should sell or buy, not a buy, not a buy and sell or buy, but just that I'm trying to share with you what things that actually I saw, okay, in based on current market station. If you're into like YTL, all these, I feel that they are still over here. Maybe still got, one movement, okay, one downtrend movement, okay, before they start to reverse again. Okay, hopefully I'm wrong, because I know a lot of people also holding in YTL power currently. So okay, now let's go back to MSM. So here we do have high volume. Actually, closing above the high volume is a good sign. So this high volume actually kind of like showing you that this is a buying volume instead of selling volume. All right. So today, good strong closing, I think is good. So the other thing is that of course they're also breaking the downtrend line as well. Okay, I think you can use 2040 directly for that, no problems. Okay, change of trend reversal. So for me, normally what I like is that I like to see successful tests. Okay, on the reversal. So what it means is that once it reverse, okay, maybe we test. Okay, somewhere around this area over here. Probably this area that I prefer to look for the entry opportunity. Okay, again, you can enter right now, no problem. But let's say your risk to reward is okay. If you think that okay, you enter here, you cut loss here, it's fine. Okay. So for me, usually I like to see a retest. Okay, and then because this is where usually I look for my so-called support area for me to do stop loss or cut loss. Okay. So now this is the other one that I think I'm watching right now. P metal MSC straight away fly ma. Okay, it didn't really stop. Okay. So this one actually I'm watching it. Okay, so here also you can notice the downtrend line. Okay, crossing. Okay, volume's not that great. So here I want to see how actually it built support around the 5 ringgit area. Okay, so let's say 5 ringgit, hopefully slowly you're going to retest back to 6 ringgit area. So this is what I mean reversal pullback. Okay, so reversal pullback. So this is one that actually I'm watching. Hopefully volumes remains to be low for a couple of days. A pullback complete would be nice to have it, okay, in this area here. Okay, so pullback area is the all this kind of indicators. Later on you will see that. So okay, the other one that also I'm watching is MFLA. Also a nice reversal. I think they have been doing a little bit of pullback for 2 days already. Ayo, sudah jalan. Okay, that's why I queue too low, unfortunately. Okay, now this is what I mean. I kind of like this kind of patterns. So here, okay, downtrend line, okay, cross, high volume. Okay, actually I expecting them to retest at least 2 days, but today jalan, too bad. Okay, again, MSM, I'm not sure whether you will like this or not. Sure, jalan after 1 day pullback. Okay, again, up to you. Okay, let's say you think that your restore is fine, go for it. Okay, go for it. Okay, but like I said, it kind of similar with like how MFLA formed. Okay, I kind of like MFLA actually, but unfortunately didn't hit my Q yesterday. Okay, now let's into Crescendo. Okay, Crescendo setup is good. Okay, the other day I think was split. Okay, yeah, but still going down. Okay, so for me, because the other day split, got some selling over here because I think also people doing profit taking. Okay, because of the probably of the split share or any announcement. Okay, so here, as long as they're above 40 MA, I think it's still good to hold. Okay, I'm not sure whether low you're looking for long term or short term for this. Trend wise still good. Okay, if you ask me, trend wise still good. Okay, morning Tony. Okay, so let's do into red tone. Can check SCGB for entry, sure. Okay, so return downtrend mode. Okay, let's go to weekly. Sometimes, let's say daily, I cannot really tell the direction. You go for weekly. Weekly also didn't show a nice setups. Okay, one thing which I don't like is that they cross the 2040s already, the 40 MA especially. So whenever they cross 40 MA, two things will happen. Either is that a long period of reaccumulation is going to happen in this range, or they'll slowly goes down already. Okay, if you notice, like but Notion happened quite fast lah. I'm not sure whether Notion is a good example or not. But Notion climatic lah. Okay, okay, since Tommy mentioned STG let's see whether STG got or not. Okay, this one is still holding around the 40 MA, still fine. Okay, but return, let's go back to return again. Cross the 40 MA. I think trend is weakening. Okay, not sure whether low you're looking for entry exit. Okay, if you're looking for entry right now, not the best one if you ask me. Okay, because the setup is not there. Trend is weakening. Okay, not so bad, but at least if you enter right now, still a bit uncertain, and it's gonna take few months, okay, for them to do sideways. Okay, now let's turn into SCG Okay, let's start with the so-called daily chart first. Okay, so daily chart, okay, they are trying to going back to this 2040 and the gap area, but I notice nowadays those going back to gap area, eventually they cannot hold one. Looking for entry, Tommy. Okay, this one I need to rely on my SR already because this one's still in the range. So it's good to use SR to help you out. Okay, so if you want to enter right now, I think okay. Low risk, based on risk to reward ratio, is offering some low risk opportunity. Okay, you can aim somewhere around this so-called. I mean, if let's say you're short term, you can aim somewhere around R1 over here. Okay, for you to do a bit of quick trades. Okay, but in terms of overall setups, it's not the best setups at the moment. I don't see any so-called strength coming in from support. All right, so if let's say they break S1, which is currently the price at S1 there, okay, I think you have to decide really very quickly, okay, what you should do. Okay, you want to hold for long-term or you want to remain short-term. Okay, let's say not the best setups at the moment. Okay, but at least risk reward is good. Maybe you want to look into that to do a quick trade. Okay, Sunmiden. Okay, let's try Sunmiden. I haven't checked Sunmiden for some time already. Oh yeah, no, this one double. For me double. Luckily previously I exit already. I think I exit somewhere around here at the top because it's too slow already. They cannot cross the 140 area. After that, didn't check. Okay, so again, few things. Okay, once the stocks a stock respect a trend, all right? So for example, when the stock respecting below 2040, they will in a trend. When they cross, they will respect well on the 2040s. Okay, so kind of similar like just now, red tone, if not mistaken. Weekly chart we see they cross below, right? So I'm afraid they also will be like this one. Okay, until a reversal happens. Okay, so normally I wait for the confirmation reversal like here, pullback completes. Okay, so now Sunmiden. Short terms, I don't see any setups. Okay, this is for LHN food. So if let's say you want to look for an entry, I don't see any setups at this moment. Okay, so weekly also not good. Breaking below 2040 as well. This is back to so-called end of July. Okay, end of July. So immediate support also should have gone already. This one on weekly support should have gone already. Okay, if you want to, this is the current support, like RM1. Okay, but I haven't tested yet. So I think no rush. If you want to enter, assuming you want to enter, I think no rush. At least wait for like a few weeks, okay, to ensure that this support here is tested well. Sometimes this kind of counters they will like here drop. Okay, at least it tested well, okay, before you decide to enter. Right now, only if one bar touch, one bar rebound, so still not a test for me. Okay, so maybe sometimes it goes up few more bits, then it will goes down again. All right. So assuming you're looking for long term, daily, because daily also I don't see a nice so-called setups, okay, to look into. Unless you tell me you are doing very, very short term, okay, because yes, maybe here is a support, right? Okay, technical rebound back to 1.1 area, 1.1 area. Okay, you want to do a quick trade, but not much meat also. If you, let's say, you want to aim for this short term. Okay, again, that's my opinions on. So again, if you like my section over here, appreciate if you can help me to support me by clicking a like buttons for me. Help me to share this out, or at least comment a hi for me at the comments, okay, so that I know you're here. Okay, now let me know any other counters that you want me to look into. Okay, because to be frank, I don't have much. I think I share with like MFLA. I'm aiming MFLA, but unfortunately today tak dapat already lah. Yeah, this is one of the problems. Sometimes you become stingy, because I queue around somewhere around actually 373 area. Okay, so that's why yesterday only until 74, lower 74, so tak dapat. Okay, today goes up. So never mind, it's okay. I try to aim for MSM. See whether MSM this week, next week got any opportunity or not. The other one that I think coming down is AX, but AX yesterday come with low volume. Okay, so I think probably it's not the time yet, but I will see how. Okay, let's say a nice pullback happening around 20 MA areas. Okay, probably it's also worth for us to look into and consider. Okay, yes, let's do into KGB. KGB, okay. Going back to 40 MA again. Now it's 20 MA. Yeah, still not very strong. Actually, the other day I thought that cross 2040 should be strong already, but actually they are still trading below the downtrend line. Okay, looking for entry at Shen. You have to let me know. Okay, looks like it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. Big Lee luckily still above 40 MA. That's one good thing, but okay lah. If you want to enter, I think boleh lah. Okay, not sure you're looking for long term or short term. Long term wise, I think okay to enter, because now it looks like doing a pullbacks over here around the 40 MA. But when they cross below 40 MA in weekly chart, okay, you have to slightly be more careful already. Yeah. Okay, is this for long term or short terms? Because short term I don't see setups actually. Short term wise I don't see any good setups. Okay, the one that I think still got set up once is MRCB. Let's try. I didn't follow for some time already also. MRCB still okay. This is yesterday, right? This is this is yesterday. Okay, this one's still okay. The other one is CMSB. I think CMSB is still holding, if not mistaken. This is few of the chart that it didn't go lower, it's still holding. Okay, but if you notice like KGB goes up, it breaks below again. Okay, so that's why for me right now, probably not the time yet. Okay, for long term, maybe okay lah. You watch out for your weekly charts. Okay, so weekly chart I think above 40 MA still quite good. Okay, still quite good. Just that this is a period of so-called consolidations, because they have been uptrend for some times already. Normally this kind of consolidation probably will take months one. Okay, so this is something that you should expecting. Okay, when the stock goes up for a period of times already. Okay, any other counters you want me to look into? If not, I just go to my pullback alerts. Then we will end our section today. Also, nothing much. Also, call point by call point. I don't see volume actually, but shorter opportunity to the gaps area may be still possible, but I don't see volume like MSM, like MFLA. Okay, so that's why I'm going to look into it. Okay, Delium actually is quite good, but slightly a bit close to main resistance. That's why I don't want to look into it. If you look into MSM, MFA, they are still a bit far from resistance. Okay, so Delium actually side is good, but just that a bit close to resistance. So that's why I think okay, probably I want to focus other first. Okay, because right now market is not that bullish yet. Not to say they cannot cross the resistance, they can cross, but now market is not that super bullish. So that's why I also like, okay, anything close to resistance one, tengok dulu. Okay, we see how it goes first. Okay, and then we look for the others. Okay, now last one, holding before we close. Okay, holding sideways range. Nothing special actually in this chart over here. Okay, so okay, now normally this one, right? If you notice, this one got false breakout. Okay, this one got false breakout, which means they try to break but cannot they drop. Okay, so this one normally it will cause a pull, it will cause a shakeout. Okay, sometimes. All right. So, but if let's say you want to, okay, within this range over here, I think it's still fine because they tested 2 times already, maybe third time, we still tested well. Okay, 0.850. Okay, and you aim around 95 cents. Okay, on this sideways range. Okay, I think still boleh lah, consider. Okay, now if let's say you're looking for long term, let's go into weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart still okay. They are still holding around the 20, but looks like breaking this week. Okay. Again, not the best one because still a bit uncertain in terms of chart setups. Not the best one, but F50. Okay, if you want to enter, you monitor F50 area because there's the area that is building a support right now. Anything drop below, you know, your support is not longer valid already. Okay, so watch out on the area. Okay, now let's do the last one, Scope Net. Wow, this chart will be tricky. Okay, this is for Tommy. Okay, reversal, but volume is not that high. But luckily here we test with some low volume over here. Okay, yes, I think this one can do a little bit of short terms. Still holding. Okay, still holding. I think okay lah. But next one probably, this one here probably need to watch out. This resistance of the S1, S2 also. Hopefully it will continue to retest to S2. Okay, but here at least we got some reversal now doing pullback. Okay, pullback low volume, holding around 20 MA, I think is a good sign. Okay, so that's referring to short terms. Okay, now let's look into weekly. Any information can pick up. Okay, actually, ScopeNet overall is still in the so-called reaccumulation periods. Okay, which means doing base building. Okay, just that probably it's not ready yet. Okay, so long term, I think is quite suitable. Okay, but this one back to 2022 until now, so 2 year plus already. Okay, yeah, sometimes reaccumulation can take years one. Okay, but this one at least the support is holding about around the areas. Okay, going back to daily against. Okay, you say still holding. For me, yeah, still worth to monitor. Okay, still both to monitor. Okay, aim for S1. Okay, I'm not sure what is the entry price. So let's say entry is low, probably can aim for S1. Partial profit. Next one is the R2, somewhere around here, 1.57. Okay, all right, 2 more to go. We have JF Tech. JF Tech after exit also didn't really watch already. Wow, luckily I exited this one. Okay, so here, I think I entered somewhere around here and exit in the same place also. Okay, if let's say in our Telegram groups, I think we do talk about it somewhere around mid of the year. Okay, so yes, not so nice actually. Okay, here, okay, now let's look into weekly first. Any information you can pick up. Wow, okay, almost touching at the previous low already. Right, 59 cents area. Okay, no setup actually. So one, if you are looking for entry, okay, probably like I said, now because they are going into the previous support, the 59s. Okay, let's see how it tested around the area. Let's say they tested at least 2 times. I think okay. Maybe still both to enter. Okay, because low risk. If not, maybe I will avoid first. Okay, because right now it looks like the trend is big in daily chart over here. No high volume yet, which means there's no so-called reversals happening at this moment. Okay, so yeah, I think I if let's say for me, I will see how well it tested around the 57 cents area, which is around this area over here. Okay, very close already, very close already. Okay, but right now I don't see any sign of potential reversals coming up. Okay, for Jeff. Okay, now let's go into BJ Food. BJ Food, I think this few day got movement, right? but I didn't really focus as well for BJ foot. Okay, reversing. Okay, but with low volume. Okay, notice the volume is not that strong. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, now this is what I means in JF tag. A bit similar in JF tag. So here, previous low. Okay, sometimes they will like this drop. Okay, sometimes even with test go up, I still will break down one. So 57 cents is the last defense for JF tag. Okay, this is for one. So okay, now let's look into BJ foods. Okay, right now, okay, looks like it's reversing. Okay, but still tricky because here is your another resistance to watch out for. Okay, so if you are short terms, okay, I think this is the area 50 cents area. Of course, you don't wait until gum 50 cents. Okay, so going into this area over here, personal for me, I'll lock some profits. Okay, personal for me, I will lock some profits. Okay, the few reasons why, because first of all, normally when we see trend reversal, normally it come in volume. Okay, but over here, okay, let's switch to weekly so we can see better. Okay, but over here, if you notice, this is not the highest volume. It's increasing volume, but it's not the highest volume. So I rephrase that sometimes they'll do a technical rebound, okay, like this, then go back down again. So yes, closing to 50 cents, I think it's good to lock some profits, okay, if you already entered. All right, unless they come with a super high volume, then yes, probably you got a chance to make a long-term reversal, okay, based on the chart. Okay, so there is BJ foot. Okay, now Ruku, any possible entry level for super loin? Okay, super loin. Super loin also I didn't monitor for some times already. This one got reversal. Okay, this one got reversal. But low volume also lah. Okay, but okay, we can do a little short term, maybe to this gap area over here. Right, possible, right? So okay, now right now volume is getting lower. Okay, of course, I hope it will retest the S1, okay, or maybe close to the 20 MA later on. So like this goes up, like this, okay, touch 20 MA, okay, before it goes, okay, over here. So if let's say I manage to enter below 1 ringgit, exit just below 1.2, okay, it's also got 20% to go. Okay, yes, for me, this one, stay up slightly better, okay, and then yes, there is a so-called possible opportunity for entry for Superlon. Okay, again, watch out your so-called risk-to ratio. Like I said, market is not super bullish yet. Ringgit strengthening, but today is beginning a little bit already. Hopefully, some of the time will do a small rebound later on. But overall, USD is still in downtrend. So these few things have to watch out. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this morning section over here. Like I said, if you enjoy my daily morning section, help me to click the like buttons for me, help me to share this out. If you like what we do, like how XChat and XIFU, appreciate if you can go to my Google account, leave me a good reviews over there, okay, so we can actually continue to expand and our community. All right, so with this, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay, in the morning sections.